Welcome to Jeep Talk. It's been a while since we put a video up. We've been dealing with some other issues that have taken our time, some health issues and some family issues. Nothing major, but we are now on track, so we wanted to put something out and show you guys the progress on Sean's Humvee. So why don't you say a little bit about what you've been doing?
Well, thanks, Damon. I have been working a little bit here and there. I had shoulder surgery, so that knocked me out for a few months, but nonetheless, I have been able to get the body back on the frame. I've been able to get the wire harness installed, and I am now beginning to hook up all the little bits and pieces and hoses and clamps and bolts and things. And we're definitely moving in the right direction towards getting this thing back on the road.
Well, that's good. Should we show more?
Yeah, how about a little walk around?
Let's do that.
Okay.
All right.
Well, thanks for taking a walk around with us. You can see I've been doing a lot to it, even though I've been handicapped with only one arm working for the last couple of months. But Damon sure helped pitch in too. And don't tell anybody, but he knows how to work on Humvees too.
Yeah, don't tell anybody because that's our secret. Anyway, we're going to wrap it up for now. And we want to thank you for tuning in and catching us doing our Humvee thing. We are going to have a busy schedule coming up this year. Why don't you talk about that a little bit, Sean?
Well, we're going to have the Spring Meet, Military Vehicle Collectors of California in April, and always a good time. This year, though, going to be kind of exciting. We're going to have Armor there. We're going to have a big truck showcase. We're going to have Humvee showcase, and this might even make an appearance running, so we'll see how that works out.
That would be great. We're certainly shooting for that. But if not, it's going to be fun. It's going to be a great event. I think more going on this year than last year, so we're looking forward to that.
Absolutely.
In the meantime, thanks for watching. And we'll
see you down the road.
Welcome to Jeep Talk.
Thanks.
Take 4.